So we're gonna cook it in this thing, my Omnia oven. Lots of garlic.
That's way too much.
And I forgot to set my timer and it's probably been going for like 2 minutes. Why is that wet?
It does look a little weird.
It does look weird. And I'm, oh Jeebus, trying not to trip over things. I'm not bitter about that. Oh gosh.
Oh,
Oh gosh. All right, that's enough. Oh my goodness! Okay. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, snacks. Oh, snacks. Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're camping again, and this time I've brought little Tyson with me. I know some of you have been wondering where he's been the last few videos, but don't worry, I have him with me. He's camping with me again, and I don't know if you can tell in the background over here, I have a friend joining me tonight. If you recognize this man, it's Mateo. Oh, that's awesome. Hello, Tai Tai. Hello, Tai Tai. I was further down over there a little bit, but as you can see, it's not the most level, so I pulled back just a touch. There we go. Ooh, that's kind of big. Oh, cool. That goes over there.
I'm good now. Oh, I can't do this.
Oh no!
You broke it.
Oh, I did break it.
You broke it, cuz.
No, it broke.
Oh, is it broken?
Is it broke? Aha! It's okay. I fixed it. It's good enough. It's fine. Here we go. Itch? You got an itch. Okay.
Okay, so we were both right.
That and that. And, ooh, seasonings. Oh, no, I don't have any seasonings. You guys remember that tomato feta pasta that went viral on TikTok a little bit ago? Well, I'm going to attempt to make it, but obviously I don't have an oven out here in the middle of nowhere. So we're going to cook it in this thing, my Omnia oven. It shouldn't be too difficult. You know, it's a very simple recipe. All you need is the feta chunk. We're gonna cut that and put it in here. Some grape tomatoes, olive oil, and I got the squeezable garlic because I kind of hate cutting garlic. And for the pasta, I did find these. Never tried these. Apparently these are already fully cooked and all you need to do is just stick it in a microwave for 60 seconds. Obviously I do not have a microwave, but once this is kind of more done cooking, I will toss this in to mix at the end and hopefully the heat of it will just heat up the pasta. And I also, to add a little protein, got just canned chicken. Here we go now. Here we go. All right, I'm going to use the silicone, which is apparently wet. Why is that wet? So we're gonna use all of the tomatoes. Oops, I dropped some tomatoes inside the hole. It's all right, it's okay. Then we don't litter. We take, oh, that was bad peeling on my part. I take the whole chunk and I think I'm gonna try to split this in half just cause. Then we take garlic that I apparently can't open. Mateo!
Otherwise, they toss it to me.
Go over there helping me open the ginger because my hands are slippery. Not the ginger, the garlic.
The garlic.
I got it!
God, I wish somebody would have filmed that. That was crazy.
I like a lot of garlic. Do you like a lot of garlic?
I love garlic.
Okay, cool. We're gonna be very...
Garlic, onion, ginger are my 3 favorite things.
Oh, sweet. Lots of garlic.
That's way too much.
That's a lot of gosh. Obviously, you can use whatever seasonings you want. Most people use Italian seasoning, but I'm just gonna do salt and garlic and herb because you can't have too much garlic. Ooh, that's probably a lot. Yep. Only a little bit because we have to watch our sodium. And this is crushed red pepper that I almost dropped because who doesn't love a little spice? Contrary to popular belief, I can too eat a little bit of spice. A little bit. Some olive oil. That's probably a lot of olive oil. Then we bake it. By the way, the chicken we'll add once it's cooked a little bit more because the chicken's already cooked and I don't want to make it too dry. Oops. We have Mateo's van in the background. It's beautiful. It's a good backdrop. There we go.
What's a crazy, ridiculous song? I think that doesn't know.
Again, I forgot to get a thermostat for the Omnia oven. I'm guesstimating that this will cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. And I forgot to set my timer and it's probably been going for like 2 minutes. Hey Days, are you hungry? I got you, boo. Here you go. Come on, come on. It's over here. Come on, if you're hungry. Go on. Good boy. Come on. We've got Fire Master Mateo building a fire.
Don't say that too soon.
It's a little windy right now though, so this might be a little tougher. Look at his technique. He super TP'd that. He did it. So much faster than when I do it. I'm not bitter about that. It's a little chilly, isn't it, Tyson? It's a little chilly. You want me to cover you? What do you think? He's like, yes. It's okay, we'll have the fire going. Okay. I realized I forgot to put a timer, so let's check this thing. I think it's okay. I think it needs to cook a little longer. I mean, you were close enough to the sun setting, but I totally didn't film. Whoops. What is this? Blue? Purple? Red? That's too harsh. Green?
Green would kind of be like putting a hat on a hat, though, right?
Right. Woo, windy! Ta-da! Feel like it needs to cook for just a little longer. We want the tomatoes to pop. Ooh, these tomatoes are still too firm. I think it's not getting hot enough, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, it's probably the wind.
Yeah, I have a wind guard. Okay, now we've got a wind guard.
Leave me be. When you say word, he just have a tray of giant pickles.
And they always comment. I was like, oh, don't you all go. So anyway, this mixture will then make a very delicious pasta sauce, essentially. Looking good. And then we're gonna throw in the chicken. We toss the chicken in here. Whoosh, Nibens! It's fine, it's fine. What could go wrong? Yeah, it's juicy. Ooh, that's a big chunk of chicken. Nice, okay. And we mix it all together.
It does look a little weird.
It does look weird.
When I came over here, I was like, oh, that looks a little weird. I'm sure it's going to be amazing.
It'll be amazing. It just looks weird.
Definitely
it always looks weird. But I swear it tastes so good. Then stick the weird looking pasta. Wow, that's weird.
Barilla.
Barilla. The Omnia oven was getting a little too crowded, so I decided to transfer it to my wok. And honestly, best decision ever.
Cheers. Yeah. Well, I had to grab the dang drink open. Can't cheers with a closed drink now, again.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Good frayed bits.
Ooh.
There. Look at that.
Somebody left behind this gigantic log that we're about to throw in. Mateo's just kind of peeling off some bits and bobs. We wanted to keep the fire going because it's really cold and the fire's nice.
And it ain't bedtime yet.
And it ain't bedtime yet. What? Yep.
Chicken jockey.
Chicken
Like a
jockey.
jockey for like a horse rider.
Like a
Chicken jockey.
chicken jockey. Oh gosh.
Oh.
Oh gosh.
That's gonna be insane.
That's going to be really... Maybe I should move my stuff
I
back.
have to move my van.
For reference, his van's way over there. I think we're fine. Oh, Lars came out to say hi. Okay, Lars, probably bedtime.
You hungry? Is that what you were at the window for? You hungry?
Ow. What are you barking at? What are you barking at? Is it a bird that you're barking at? That's fair. Birds are evil. To you, at least. Good morning. Or actually early afternoon. Whew, I stayed up really late last night. Like for sure. Mateo's texting me right now. 1 second. Anyway, as I was saying, oops. It was kind of a slow start to the morning because I stayed up so late, so I slept in a bit. Tyson wanted to stay outside and sunbathe, and I kind of felt like sitting inside the car for a second. This morning, Mateo's gonna be cooking for us. Actually, it's like a brunch, really. He's making, I think, some kind of like black bean burger sandwich dealio with avocado on top. Go check out his channel to see how he makes that. From the way he was describing it, it sounded mwah, delightful and super healthy. So I'm looking forward to that. Afterwards, we're gonna go on a little hike. I've gotten super into geocaching since coming back from hanging out with Bunny, since she taught me. And so I had looked at the app and there's a few geocaches around the areas. Okay, I'm just waiting on Mateo to get Lars ready. And then we're gonna go for a small walk to go find some treasures. Mateo has never gone geocaching before, and I'm still kind of newer at it, but I'm sure between the two of us, we should be able to find these caches. Look at how cute. He might be curious, but honestly, for the most part, he's kind of terrified of cats. Seems like Lars is just like so chill. According to the map, it's somewhere in this general area. We are looking for something that's about the size of a pill bottle. We have Lars and Mateo looking diligently. And I'm, oh Jeebus, trying not to trip over things. Oh my God, I found it. It's right here. Oh my God, it was right in front of me.
We didn't even have a chance. Wait, don't move it yet. I want to see where it was at.
Okay.
See, Bubby, they already found it while you were over here playing around.
I found it, but Mateo was kind of around the corner because really he has to go where Lars tells him to go. But it's pretty easy to find, so since it's Mateo's first time, I'm gonna let him try to find it.
Dirty quarter and some fake jewels, but hey.
Yeah, there should be a log too.
And Riley.
He's signing it on my back. That one was a really easy one. I'm glad your first one was super easy, so that maybe it'll convince you to do it.
Professional.
There's camp.
Come on. Good job.
Hi, Lars.
Come on.
You are a curious kitty. Dear future editing Riley.
Nickelodeon. What was that?
Never mind. Take two. Are you recording? Yeah, you're recording. Super windy. Don't know if you can catch any of this audio. What the heck? I think a moth just flew on me. It's just been a minute. There's a bug. Shh. Oh, golly. Ouch. Ahas. Huzzah. Ha-ha. No idea what that caught, but you know.
Don't address me. I'm trying to be like the ghost in the background.
I think I ripped my pants. Story of my life. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh! Let's move my child.
Oh, God.
This edit is going to be annoying, I'm sure.
It's gonna be